Hey, Trace, apologies for getting this out a little bit later than I first said. Ideally, I wanted it uploaded by around 9:30, but here I am. So we've got MYSZ is moving a little bit. Is there news out? Oh, look at this. There is a bit of news out. MYSZ executives meeting with leading retailers at the NRF 2018 in New York on January 14 to 16. Okay, so it's the start of the 16th, so that is interesting. I would say that would be a catalyst. Pre-market volume pretty solid too, so I'm glad I wasn't completely off with this one, with suggesting that it was a good sort of watch to keep on your list. SGRP, pretty uneventful. DTST, what is this one doing? There's no pre-market stuff. Where did it go? Where did it go? Whoa. No pre-market. Okay, so SPI, blockchain. Interesting. Price of Bitcoin's down a little bit as well. I think that was on the back of China completely banning cryptocurrency. So it's interesting. But it's not really, it didn't cause a crash, I would call it. To me, it's just consolidating right now. SPI, what is this? SPI Energy establishes blockchain-based infrastructure application division. All right, so they've put together a infrastructure application division of the business. This is published on Globe Newswire. This one's interesting, and like I said in the previous video, I'm just watching for dip buys. So where's the support level? I mean, that's down to 150. That's not enough of a panic, but I mean, it is a valid support level around here. So I'll watch and see, because I've been going through, dip buy video lessons, and I am noticing at least a 10% or so panic is ideal. But you've got to be adaptable at the same time with this sort of thing. So if there is signs, I mean, $1.03 was a nice sort of turning point there. But if we don't get enough of a panic and we just sort of might not even find a level of support. I mean, there is down at 130-ish as well. So I'll wait for it, see if there is a turnaround, and we'll go from there. IZEA. Tim actually just put out a new video lesson about that as well, so took it on the big boy account. I love how he's got the account up like that. That's crazy. Goals right there. Just waking up, barely awake, make 275. Good way to start the week. That'd be, for most people, that's a good day's work to earn something like that. All right, so IZEA. Oh man, they had a crypto. It was like an ICO announcement. Oh wow, well, this one's definitely going to be worth watching. Although SPI is also very interesting and up quite a lot. And I like to see that because, obviously you can put the thesis together. It's overextended. So naturally you might see a pullback and then a dip buy opportunity. So I'm going to keep this video pretty simple and to the point. I like SPI, I like IZEA, NCTY, we'll get that one up as well. I'm going to close down SGRP just because I've got poor internet connection. Unfortunately, I'm just going to set my T. I will try and put out a live trading video as well. I like to do that because it keeps me accountable, because I have an issue with taking profits too early, even if the trade's still moving pretty well. So I'm going to keep that running. Alright, and I saw a comment. It looked like it wasn't in English, so I'm going to try and reply to that. I'm going to put it through Google Translate. I only speak English, so I apologize for that, for not interacting with you straight away. Okay. Alright, what else is moving? Man, there's quite a few things moving. NCTY, and I think I might keep it to that just for now. I don't like to keep these videos dragging on too much. the 9 Limited and blockchain technology company signed partnership agreement in its blockchain services business. Well, that's a valid catalyst as well. So we will see how this one goes as well, guys. MYSZ, MYSZ, SPI, IZEA and NCTY, all potential plays. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.